explore photography with the latest from a reputable company that has been around for decades. Canon has products for everyone, from professionals seeking cutting-edge technology to hobbyists wanting to record life's events with clarity and originality. These inspiring and innovative cameras range from mirrorless marvels to DSLRs that push the limits. This video will cover the 10 best Canon cameras of 2024, including their characteristics, capabilities, and why they may be the right tool to improve your photography. Number 10, Canon EOS Rebel SL3. With its 24.1 MP APS-C sensor and Digic 8 image processor, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is a versatile DSLR that combines advanced imaging features with easy-to-use design. It can take high-resolution pictures and 4K videos. It easily connects to Wi-Fi so you can share, and dual-pixel CMOS AF makes sure that aiming is quick and accurate. The 3.0-inch touchscreen with variable angles makes it easier to take creative picters and selfies, and the camera's lightweight makes it perfect for travel and everyday use. This kit comes with an EFS 18 to 55 mm lens, which can be used in a variety of shooting situations. Whether you're a beginner shooter or someone who wants to step up, the Rebel SL3 is both powerful and easy to use. Number 9, Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. With an 18 to 55 mm lens, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera is a powerful photography tool that can capture the details and colors of everyday life. Its 24.1 MP CMOS sensor and Digic 4 Plus image processor work together to make stunning photos and smooth full HD movies over an ISO range of 100 to 6400. The 9-point AF system makes sure the camera is sharply focused, and the built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technologies make sharing and connecting easier. The optical viewfinder gives you a wide view that covers about 95% of the screen, which makes composition and frame more accurate. The Rebel T7 is a flexible camera that makes high-quality shooting easy to do and fun for both new and experienced photographers. Number 8, PowerShot SX100 IS camera. The Canon PowerShot SX100 IS is a small digital camera with an 8-megapixel CCD sensor and a strong 10x optical image stabilized zoom. It can print photos up to 16x 22 inches. Its 2.5-inch LCD screen makes it easy to see what you're shooting and look back at it. Face detection technology and an in-camera red-eye fix make photos look better. It can be used in a lot of different situations because it has 18 shooting modes, including 7 special scene modes. The camera is easy to use and has a print share button that makes it simple to print and share. It runs on 2 AA batteries and stores pictures on SD cards, including a 16 MB card that you can use right away. Number 7, Canon PowerShot, a 495 camera. For people who are new to digital photos, the Canon PowerShot A495 is a great digital camera that is easy to use. It has a 10.0 MP sensor and an optical zoom lens that lets you quickly take high-quality pictures. It has a smart auto mode that picks the best settings from 18 predefined cases. This makes photography more creative and easy. The camera has a big, clear 2.5-inch LCD screen that makes it easy to frame shots and look through them. Because it runs on AA batteries, you can charge it anywhere. Pictures are kept on SD, SDHC memory cards, which give you a lot of storage choices. Number 6, Canon PowerShot ELPH 360 camera. With its small size, the Canon PowerShot ELPH 360 HS digital camera is made for people who want both quality and ease of use. It has an impressive 12x optical zoom and optical image stabilization, which make it great for taking clear pictures up close or far away. The camera's Digic 4 Plus image processor and 20.2 megapixel CMOS sensor work together to make clear pictures even when there isn't much light. It's easy to share and move your photos in 1080p HD movies because it has built-in Wi-Fi and NFC. The camera's big 3.0-inch LCD screen makes it easy to see and use all of its features, making it a great choice for capturing life's moments. watch our next amazing and useful product. Also, don't forget to follow for more great videos. Number 5. Canon EOS Point Camera. The Canon camera, EOS Point and Shoot digital camera, stands out because of how small it is and how many great features it has. It has a CMOS sensor with 20.3 megapixels and a 40x optical zoom with an optical image stabilizer. This makes sure that you can take clear, high-resolution pictures in a lot of different shooting situations. Additionally, the camera can record 4K video and make 4K time-lapse movies, which lets you take beautiful videos. Its high-speed continuous shooting mode is great for catching things that are moving quickly. The 3.0 inches LCD screen makes it easy to look over your pictures and find your way around the menus. Number 4. Canon EOS R100 Mirrorless Camera. The Canon EOS R100 mirrorless camera is a big step forward for the EOS R line. It's small, light, and takes great pictures at a price that most people can afford. This model is the smallest and lightest in the line, making it perfect for photographers who are always on the go. It takes great pictures because it has a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor and the powerful Digic 8 image engine. It can clearly capture even the smallest details. The EOS R100 has great autofocus performance thanks to its dual pixel CMOS AF, which covers a large area with up to 143 zones and other advanced features like auto subject recognition and eye recognition AF that make the pictures sharp. It can shoot continuously at up to 6.5 frames per second in one-shot AF mode, so it's great for catching everything from fast-moving scenes to quiet expressions. Its small size doesn't mean it can't connect to other devices. It has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy sharing and creating content. Number 3. Canon PowerShot A4000. The Canon PowerShot A4000 is digital camera, is both easy to use, and has advanced imaging features. Its 16.0 MP resolution and 8x optical image stabilized zoom lens with a 28mm angle make it great for taking pictures of scenery in groups. It's small, but it has everything you need for serious shooting, like the ability to record 720p HD video and a big 3.0-inch LCD screen that makes it easy to frame and look over your shots. The camera's better IR sensitivity makes it a good choice for people who like to take pictures of the stars at night. With a focus on ease, it has a number of shooting modes, such as Program, Digital IS, and Live View Control to get the best results in a variety of situations. It can work with both EF and EFS lenses, has a Digic 4 image processor, and can handle ISO levels up to 6,400. This makes it a flexible tool for taking good pictures in a range of lighting conditions. Number 2. Canon PowerShot SX400. The Canon PowerShot SX400 IS is a powerful small digital camera with a 16.0 MP sensor and an amazing 30x optical zoom lens that lets you take clear pictures from far away and wide shots with a 24mm lens. Its Canon Digic 4 Plus image processor makes it easy to record beautiful 720p HD videos, and a special movie button lets you zoom in while you record. The high-speed AF system improves the speed of focus, and the Smart Auto mode makes the settings work best in any situation. This makes it a great choice for recording life's moments quickly and accurately. Number 1. Canon EOS 6D Mark II. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II DSLR camera has a very good 26.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, which is made for advanced shooting that needs high resolution and clear pictures. It comes with an optical camera and a 45-point all-cross-type autofocus system that makes sure the whole frame is in sharp focus. It also works with a lot of Canon EF lenses. It works great in low light thanks to its dual pixel CMOS AF for smooth and quick focusing in live view and video recording, and its Digic 7 image processor, which lets you set the ISO range from 100 to 40000 GPS. Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth are some of the extra features that make it easy to connect. The Vari-Angle touchscreen LCD gives you more options for framing, making it a useful tool for both serious shooters and videographers. Canon again demonstrated its camera industry leadership in 2024 by capturing the soul of photography. Canon has something for every photographer, from the EOS Rebel series for beginners and hobbyists to the PowerShot lineup for powerful compacts. Canon produces high-quality images across its devices, from the EOS R100's mirrorless innovation to the PowerShot A4000 IS's astrophotography. As we examine the 10 best Canon cameras of 2024, Canon's dedication to innovation, quality, and user experience stayed steady. Each model provides to enrich your photographs with their uniqueness. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to discuss the best images.